In this section, we're going to see how to add a Call Now button. So as usual, we go to the back end, click on Plugins, click on Add New, and this time where it says Search Plugins, we'll search for something called Call Now. And this is the Call Now button plugin. As you can see, it's got 100,000 plus active installations, extremely good reviews. It's compatible and was recently updated. So I'll click here to install it. Then I'll click here to activate it. We then need to set it up. So if I go here and click on Settings, first of all I click here to enable it. Then I enter a phone number here. We can then enter some button text, so something like Call Now. We can just go with that, but if you click on where it says Advanced Settings, I prefer to have it displayed across the bottom rather than a little circle. So if I click here, I can change the color if I want to, but I'll leave it as green. And then I'll click on where it says Save Changes. And that's it, it's now been set up. If we go to our website, you can't see it on a desktop or a laptop, but if I resize this to the approximate shape of a mobile phone, we have this Call Now bar down the bottom, and it stays there if I scroll up and down. Obviously this is not going to work on a laptop or a desktop, but on a mobile, if you just simply press the big green bar, it'll bring up the phone number and your customers can ring you directly. The advantage of this, it means they don't have to sort of search through your website to find your phone number. There's one or two little things just to think about. Let's say you're within Australia. I'm based in Western Australia. If I was using a landline, I'd have to remember to put the 08, which is the dialing code for Western Australia, in there. Or failing that, I could put a mobile number in which would work throughout Australia. So there are one or two little things like that you have to think about.